Hi everyone, I am Misty Snyder, the Youth Services Manager at the Downtown Library, and I am here to tell you all about our November Take and Make kit. So, for November, we are celebrating a very special month. No, not Thanksgiving, not turkeys. We are celebrating dinosaurs because it is Dinovember. So, in our Dinovember Take and Make kit, you are going to receive a super fun dinosaur mask, a hatching dinosaur egg. So you just put this little egg in some water and let your egg hatch and soak your dinosaur to see how big it will get. You're going to get a glueless dinosaur craft. So what you need to do here is color this guy, cut him out, and fold him on the dotted lines, and he will stand up. You will receive an I Spy dinosaur activity, so you can just circle the dinosaurs you see there. You also get this list here with some fun dinosaur book suggestions. This is just a very small amount of our dinosaur selections. If you want dinosaur books, give us a call. We have lots and lots. And then finally, the most exciting fun part, you are going to get a DIY fossil kit. So in this kit, you're going to receive a container of dough mix. So this is flour and salt mixed together. It's 2 parts flour, 1 part salt. And you get a plastic dinosaur. Now at home, you'll need a few supplies to get this ready. You will need a baking sheet. You will need some aluminum foil or parchment paper. And you will need a small bowl or cup to mix up your dough. You'll also need something to stir your dough with, so a spoon or a spatula or a craft stick, and water. So I've already started mixing my dough a little bit, but the first step would be you pour your flour and salt mixture into your bowl. And then you add a little bit of water. Just keep adding water until you get it into a nice dough consistency. Just start out with really small amounts so that you don't get your dough too wet. So I'm gonna mix mine here and see what we come up with. I have used, if you use a bottle of water and you want to use your little cap as a measurement, so far I have about 4 capfuls of water in there. Mix that together. When you start to get a dough to form, you can dump this out onto your aluminum foil or your parchment paper or whatever, and kind of work it together with your hands like a Play-Doh. And this is a great way to strengthen hand muscles, especially for pre-writers, little, your preschoolers, and even although they have in kindergarten and 1st grade, they're still learning to write, they're still learning to hold their pencil, and that takes a lot more hand strength than you might realize. So kneading this dough will help them strengthen those muscles and help them be able to hold their pencil and start them on their journey to learning how to write. So after your dough is all mixed together, and it looks like that 4th capful really was about perfect for what I needed for water, you're going to want to flatten your dough into a nice circle, just like that, about this size. Get it all nice and flat. Set it back down gently on your surface Next, take your dinosaur, and what we want to do is create an impression so that we leave a fossil of what this dinosaur was like. So you can push him down anywhere. You can use his feet or his tail. Just press that down until you can see the impression in there. You can lay him on his side and try to get a full body impression. That might be cool. You can stomp him all over so he leaves little footprints. That's pretty neat. And you can just keep doing that until you're happy with it. I like this. I don't know if you can see my dinosaur impression in there. And then the next step, you can either let this air dry for 2 to 3 days and it'll dry nice and solid, or if you're impatient and you want it done right away, you can put it in an oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Either way works just fine. And I think when you're done, you could probably paint it, or you could also cut this out and, you know, with like cookie cutters and make it into a puzzle or whatever you want to do. So that's what we've got this month for our Take and Make kit. I hope you take advantage of those. They will be available at all 4 of our St. Joseph Public Libraries starting November 2nd. Don't forget to request some fun dinosaur stories when you call to reserve your kit. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.